Okay. So the today's topic is about the replenishment. First thing, okay, we're going to study what do you mean by replenishment. Okay, then we can understand how this replenishment will going to happen. Okay, let us consider this is our warehouse. Okay, this is our warehouse. In our warehouse, we have a part which is called as a primary zone. Okay, this is what I'm going to call as a primary zone, and this is what I'm going to call as a buffer zone. Uh, First, I'm going to tell about the replacement. Replacement is nothing but see whenever we'll go to a mall, okay, you can able to see some what is that some samples only. Okay, let us consider some. This is a counter here. Okay, you have the counter here. Okay, uh, the counter what I can say it is a goods issue area. I consider. Okay, this is the goods issue area. Okay. Area I'll say. Okay, goods issue area means what? Some counter is there, a billing counter through which you are they are issuing the material and you are moving out. Okay, from here you are moving out like that. You consider near to this goods issue area. Okay, you will going to see some sweet boxes. Okay, some very small area is there. There you can able to see the small amount of sweet boxes, or else some refrigerator you will going to see. Just a minute. Hello. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಾಲ್ಗಡೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಬರೋದು ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಹ್ಮ್ ನೀವು ವಾಪಸ್ क्यों नहीं जाते कल वैसे तो करके किया था ना इसको okay. Okay, so however the goods issue area will be there. So here we'll be having a we can able to make the goods issue. Okay, goods issue to the people. Okay, so here we'll going to get the refrigerators. With that, you may be finding the chocolates. Okay, let us consider here in the refrigerator they may be having the chocolates and some ice creams. Okay, but whether these are the only chocolates what the mall is having, okay, let us consider this entire thing is a mall. These are the only chocolates whether the mall is having. They might be having so many different chocolates, correct? They will be having so many different chocolates. But as of now, they have kept only some maybe some 100 chocolates over here. But whenever the chocolates quantity will going to get reduced here, they'll going to take the chocolates from the buffer zone and they'll going to fill it over here. Am I right?
Correct.
Have you ever observed this thing?
Yes.
Correct. No? So this is where we will say this is about the replenishment only. Okay, this is what we're going to call as the replenishment. Let's remove this. Okay, I will say here some materials are there. Okay, and here you have some other materials. Okay, like that we're going to consider. So in the buffer zone means what? This is the main area. Okay, main area. In the buffer zone, you will be having all the materials. Okay, they may be a fast moving materials, they may be a slow moving materials. Everything will going to store here. Let us say, okay, here also I'll be having some areas. Okay, I am having four different area here. Where I am having a different materials. How we're going to insert the materials? Image. Okay, fine. Okay, let us consider this is one material what I am considering. Save and close and say. Okay, here we have so many different materials of this particular shape. Okay, it will not going to work like this. Okay, 1 minute. No, they are grouped already. Okay, let us consider this material is here. Okay, and we have four different types of materials. Okay, so when you have the four different types of materials, here some materials will be there which are fast moving, and some materials will be there which are slow moving. Now, I want to hear which material you will going to keep in the primary zone.
Fast moving.
Definitely, okay. Whatever the materials which are fast moving, that only will going to keep it over here because the customer will going to whenever he is going to see the product, he wants to buy that. Okay, like that, some products will be there. Let us consider if you are moving into some automobile industry, some cables, if they are available, cables will going to move very fast. Okay, but they're consumables, we can say some brake pads, okay, chain, all those things are the consumables. But what are the and oil, okay, engine oil and what are the slow moving products over there? If disc brake might be there, okay, or else engine itself is there, okay, and some silencer, all those parts are very slow moving products, okay. Most of the time, people will going to take where the fast moving products only. Okay, in that case, what they'll do, they'll going to keep those products over here. Okay, in the primary zone, and but these quantities, it is not the only quantity which they are available. Okay, let us consider here they may be having around 50 quantities here. Okay, but when the quantity, okay, they're going to give the minimum and maximum quantity for this primary zone quantities. Okay, whatever the quantity they are available here, they're going to give the maybe 10, 50 like that. They're going to give the what is that minimum and the maximum quantity. This is the minimum quantity. This is the maximum quantity. So once the material value will come below this threshold value. Threshold value is the minimum value of the material. Okay, that is 10. Then we will going to replenish this material. Okay, we're going to replenish this material. Replenish in the sense we're going to bring another 40 materials are the entire fill. Okay, like let us consider the material quantity become 8 here. Then what we'll do, we're going to bring all the 42 materials and we're going to make it 50. Okay, we're going to fill it to the maximum. Like that, we're going to do. That is what the replacement is all about. Any doubts here?
No.
Okay, we're going to have a two levels of replenishment. Two levels. In this Excel, no, it is difficult to put the what is that shapes and all.
Yes.
If we are into our local Excel, we can do that. It is into now it is in the drive. That is why the problem. Okay, so this is in the two levels. One is the storage type level. Second is the storage bin level. Okay, one is the storage type level and another is the storage bin level. We're going to do the setting at the storage types only. I'm going to show you, okay? So if it is in the storage type level, what we'll do, we maintain the minimum and maximum stock levels at the product master at the storage type data view. Okay, you have the product master. In the product master, you will be having the storage type data now. There you will going to maintain the minimum and maximum quantity. Okay, whenever you will be taking at the storage type level. But when you will be taking at the storage bin level, we maintain at the fixed bin level. Okay, fixed bin concept is there. No, there we're going to maintain the minimum and maximum quantity, and we're going to proceed further. Okay, so here again, replenishment is this is at the two levels. Okay, but what are the different types of replenishment types? Okay, so we have two different types of replenishment. One is the planned replenishment, planned, and second is the unplanned replenishment, unplanned. Again, this planned is further divided into three more replenishment. In this only we're going to call as a planned replenishment again, okay, and order replenishment and create part. Three different replenishments will going to come here within this plan. In the unplanned, we're going to get the direct replenishment and the automatic replenishment. So I'll just explain you what do you mean by planned, order replenishment and create part replenishment. Okay. See, planned means we have the idea. Whenever the material is coming below this particular value or the threshold value, we're going to replenish this particular material. That is what the plan. We have the plan. Okay, we already have the plan. Based upon the plan, it is going to work like that plan replenishment. What do you mean by order replacement? Order replacement is nothing but, see, whenever you have the 50 and 10 and 50 materials over here, okay, and let us consider now the quantity remaining is 20. Here the quantity is 20. Okay, it is in between these two. But we got some 15 materials as a order. Okay, we got the order for 15 materials. Okay, in that case, how the replenishment will going to happen then? Okay, so here only 5 materials will going to remain here. Okay, that let us consider that is one case. Okay, that time what they'll do, they're going to bring all the 50 materials. Within that, they're going to remove 5 materials and they're going to take it. So getting that, see here 20 materials are there. Okay, 20 materials are there. That 20 I got the order for 15 materials. That time also the replacement will going to get triggered. Okay, that is again the plan. You may say, let us consider 20 materials are there. Okay, I'm getting the order for 30 materials. Okay, how the replacement will going to happen? For 10 materials will be deficient here. Okay, so what I'm saying here, let us consider now they are having a 20 materials instead of 50 or 10. Okay, this is the maximum minimum quantity. They are having a 20 materials here. In this case, I got the order for 30 materials. Okay, but in this primary zone, I don't have the 30 materials. Only 20 materials are there. It will going to pick 20 materials from here, and in from the buffer zone, it will going to pick 10 materials. Okay, so that time it will be fulfill the quantity. Am I right? In this case, here we should put certain materials, right? So it will going to bring total 60 materials here. 10 will be go with the order and 50 will going to remain here. Got it? Okay, that is the order replenishment. Next comes the create part replenishment. Create part will be like it will comes under the PP integration actually. Okay, create part means what? Whenever we are manufacturing, okay, whenever we are manufacturing, that time RLs will be having the production supply area. Production supply area. So to the production supply area, we're going to do the staging of the whatever the raw materials we may say. Okay, these raw materials we need to provide to the. This is just like subcontracting. Okay, so here PSA means this is just like subcontracting where the production supply area is going to take the raw materials and it is going to finishes the goods and it is going to send it back. Okay, like that. Okay. So in this create part, what will going to happen? Will be stage certain materials. Okay, we need to stage certain materials. Okay, whenever we are staging certain materials, that time what will going to happen? What is that? The staging of the materials. How we will going to do it? Okay, here even here also they will be having the minimum and maximum and whenever again okay for this production supply how many materials we require to create a certain materials, let us consider I want to create the finished products of 100. For this 100 materials, how many the raw materials we are needed? Okay, they may be around A may be around 200 materials I require, B may be around 60 materials I require, okay, and C may be around 30 materials I require, which will going to prepare a ABC of 100 materials. Let us consider something like this. We require. So in this case, okay, they are going to make 100 means we need to replenish this 260 and 30 over here. Okay, it is going to work based upon the bill of materials. Got it? Okay, so this is what the create part means. For creation of this 100, I want to create 100 means I need to replenish these quantities. Let us consider they might be having some 20, 30, maybe here. Okay, A is maybe some 50 quantities might be there. B might be around 30 might be there. C might be around 30 might be there. Okay, in that case, what I need to do? I need to replenish 150 quantities of A, 30 quantities of B. See, it is already 30 is there, we will not going to replace. So like that, we will going to do that. That is what the create part. Then what you mean by direct? Okay. So direct and automatic almost they are same only. Okay. So whenever you are doing the direct, whenever you are using the RF devices, that time the direct replenishment will going to get triggered. Okay. So RF devices only can able to trigger the replenishment for the direct. They are unplanned. Okay, we don't have a plan for that. Suddenly, what is that? We are removing certain materials. Okay, that time what is that we need to replenish some of the quantities. Okay, so in that case we're going to use the direct replenishment. Okay, and what is the automatic? So automatic also similar to the direct. Okay, uh, in the automatic replenishment we're going to use the say,
Ajay, order replenishment पता रहते ना? Can you just repeat? Plant पता है, create path form relevant to order replenishment. Order के through if it is getting, I mean process order or production order. उसका relevant है, right?
Sorry, Dinesh. Dinesh,
नहीं,
come
नहीं,
again. मैं इधर नहीं था थोड़ा. Please ask me again. Dinesh, please ask the question.
Yeah. वो order replenishment बता रहे थे ना श्री भाई. Can you just repeat one more time?
Okay. See, order replenishment means we have the less material here. Okay. So let us consider. I said 10 and 50 are the minimum and maximum quantities. I am having a 20 materials here. Okay, but order came for 30 materials. Okay, that time how the replenishment will going to happen? 20 I will going to pick it from here. Okay, 20 will going to move to the GI zone, and that 10 I need to fulfill that order means and that 10 I required, right?
Right.
So that from the buffer zone, okay, they're going to bring total 60 materials here because they want to fulfill the 50 materials to the replenishment and 10 materials for the order, correct? No? So that is what the order replenishment is all about.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. Yeah, I am getting some messages though. That's why I just saw that. It's okay. So, and we were discussing about the direct replenishment. Okay. In the direct replenishment, actually, most of the time, this direct replenishment is going to be possible in the case of fixed bin scenarios. Okay. You have to have the fixed bins, then only this direct replenishment will going to work. And when it will going to work? Whenever you have using the exception codes. Let us consider sometimes we're going to get the pick Daniel. What is the pick Daniel scenario? Okay, the pick Daniel is nothing but you go to particular storage bin and try to pick certain materials. Okay, but whatever the warehouse task you have, okay, for that warehouse task, certain orders will be there. Those orders you cannot able to fulfill because of the shortage of the materials. That will going to trigger a pick Daniel concept. Okay, pick Daniel concept in the EWM. Okay, so in that case, means whenever you are scanning the bin and you are scanning the product, these many products I want to take, like that you will going to scan it, but you don't have that many products. Okay, it will going to trigger the pick Daniel scenario. What do you mean by pick Daniel scenario means due to the less or unavailability of the quantity in the bin, okay, you will not going to fulfill the entire warehouse task. The partial warehouse task will going to create or no warehouse task will going to create. That is what the pick Daniel scenario. It will going to automatically adjust the quantity at the what is that sales order, okay, and the outbound delivery. So that is the pick Daniel scenario. In that case, whatever the replenishment is going to happen, so that case we're going to take it as a direct replenishment. Okay, and what we have seen is automatic replenishment. Okay, it is a system will going to automatically replenish certain things. Okay, let us consider whatever the fast moving products are there. Okay, so if that is going to analyze based upon the seasonal wise. Okay, in the seasonal wise, okay, these are the materials which will going to move fast. Okay, so in that case, if the materials comes falls below certain level, then automatically it will going to replacement those values and it will going to fulfill the what is that primary zone. Okay, it is going to fill the primary zone. So that is how they are going to create the different replenishment here. Okay, we will going to study whatever the planned replenishment and order replenishment. We'll try to go for the direct because here I need to have the what is that exception codes and all. We'll try it out. Okay, first we're going to see these two because create part we cannot because we don't have the production system yet. Okay, PSA is there, then only we can able to have it. Okay, so we'll start the replenishment activity to how we'll going to create and we're going to see. Okay, I think my friend had already created everything. Okay, we'll going to just check. Okay, what else we have to create in that. If anything is missing, we can take it. Okay, yeah, first thing, We'll create one extra, what is that, okay, what we'll do, he might have created some, what is that, storage types here. Okay, first you just go through those storage type only. Okay, SPR, IMG, SCWM, extended warehouse management, master data. Here storage types I'll go. Okay, he has created, basically for the replacement he has created some storage types. Okay, so here REST and REBL, like that he has created. Okay, that is a, one is for the storage type level, and another is for the bin level, like that he has created. Okay, like if I go inside this REST first, REBL, let us go. What is there? Okay, see, he is at the bin level. What I said, we have to take the fixed bin level. We have to use, okay, use fixed bins, and do not assign the fixed bins automatically. Means I don't want to assign the fixed bin automatically. It is manual thing. Okay, I will going to do it like that. I am saying. Okay, and confirm put away, and put away rule I am provided here. Go down, remove it is there. But here, replenishment level, this is important here. Okay, just check it. Okay, if it is one, then it is a storage type level. If it is a blank, then it is a bin level only. Okay, we are taking at the bin level, so that is why this one is 0. Okay, or else a blank, you can say. Okay, and when you will be taking at the storage type level, it will be having a 1. Okay, so here we used to use the rough bin determination. This is important. Okay, what is the rough bin determination and all, we have seen it now at the initial stage only. So in this case, what will be there? For approximate source bin determination, this storage type must be returned to the delivery item as a result, even no stock exists. Okay, if stocks are there or no stocks are there, we're going to determine only this bin only. Okay, so that is how we're going to see this. If no stocks exist in the big storage types and no fixed bin either, the approximate source data determined does not usually consider this storage type and continues looking in the next storage type for the search sequence that has been set. In that, like there is no bin and there is no storage types available for this particular storage type, then subsequently it will going to look for some other storage types. But in this rough bin, first thing it will going to look for did that particular bin itself. Okay, that particular bin itself in that particular storage type. This is how we're going to use the rough bin determination here. Okay, so confirm removal is one part. Okay, we'll be having the confirm removal case. Okay, so that is you already know. Okay, so here this is the important replenishment level. If you go to the next one, REST. Okay, here if you are checking, here one is there. Okay, one means we are saying it is the storage type level. Two levels I said no. This is the storage type level. Okay, they have created two different storage types. Okay, so
Okay, fixed bin is not will not be there, right?
no, no, here we're not going to get the fixed bin concept. It is a storage type level. Fixed bin concept is not there. Okay, and you are here this rough bin determination is also not required actually. Okay, this one is also not required. Okay, we will just remove this. Okay, it is not a mandatory thing at this moment. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll just save this. So now we have to go to the what is that? We are creating the plant replacement, right? So where we can able to do that. Okay, so just go to the cross process settings. Sorry, internal movements. Okay, internal warehouse processes. Okay, in the internal warehouse processes, we'll be having the different activities. We have seen the physical inventory also there. Okay, and we can see the replenishment control is also available here. Okay, when you will go to the replenishment control, there are different things which are you can see. First thing, we have to activate the replenishment strategies in the storage types. Okay, so just click over here. Okay, where all you want to have to activate the strategy. So I'll just go here 406. See here, he has activated the replenishment for these things. Okay, once you are observing here, see here, what is the first thing we're going to see at the REST. Let us consider REST. Okay, This one. Okay, one is a planned replacement is there and the order related is there. Okay, now we're going to go through the planned first. Okay, here he has given the planned replacement. Okay, our warehouse process type is 3010. Okay, I'll just show you the warehouse process type. Okay, SPRO. Goods is cross process settings, warehouse task. Okay, here warehouse process type. Okay, here 1206. If you see 3010, this is for the replenishment. Okay, so whatever the replenishment will be there, it will going to happen through this. And just observe here document types. What are the document types here? Internal also SRPL, and whatever the item type is also there, that is also SRPL. Okay, so whenever you will going to generate some document, that will be taken the SRPL as a document type. We will going to see that where it will be available and how we should do. Okay, so this is the planned replacement. We have selected planned replacement. Here that 5 replacement, whatever we have discussed, all they are available. First thing, we are taking only the planned replacement. We are not bothering about others. Okay. First, we're going to see how the planned replacement is going to work. Then we're going to look at the order replacements and all. Okay. Here, I'm just saying ignore bins with the stock removal lock. Okay, stock removal lock is there, then ignore them. Okay, just take the stocks from that also, like that we are taking. And here we can have the warehouse task immediate creation, or else if you want to create a warehouse task by your hand, you can able to do that. Okay, both things are possible. First, we're going to tick this. We'll not going to have this tick mark. Okay, we'll create the warehouse task manually, and how automatically it is going to create and all, we're going to check it. Okay, and this is the what is that? If you want to have the replacement only through this particular storage type, okay, only through this particular storage type, then we can able to do this particular storage type. But replacement, let us consider here you are having a particular storage type, okay, in the buffer zone, which is having a material. Okay, let us consider here you are using certain material, okay, some ABC material, and the same ABC material is only in this particular storage type, that is not available in any other storage type. Then you can provide from this storage type only, it has to replacement, like that you can give. But in our case, we have stored our material in ST0 and 0203, something like that, correct? So in that case, if you provide only ST01, then it will until it finishes all the ST01, it will wait to take. Okay, but it will not. It will ignore the ST02. But if you leave it, then all the storage types it will going to consider. Okay, so that is why we have to leave it blank. Understood? No? If it is only one storage type, just give that. It will going to replacement from that particular storage type only. So this one I'm going to explain. Okay, so when we will
Okay,
be
but we are going to look on storage type only, right? Because if we are looking on this storage type replenishment, it is already storage type, and apart from that, it is the same like listed storage type kind of concept, or
no, I didn't get you.
no? See, now for this particular storage type, REBL or RESL.
RAST we are looking, sorry,
Yeah,
RAST we are seeing, but we are earlier we have seen the REBL. Okay, anyway, that is a bin level and it is a storage type level. Okay.
Okay, so here we have storage type group there, right?
Yeah.
We already in storage type, and over there we are going to include another storage type for this
No,
replenishment.
See, this is the planned replenishment, okay, which is at the storage type level we are saying, okay.
Right.
See, what is there? Storage type level means they might be having a different. See, this same material might be having in the different storage type. Am I right?
Right.
So if it is having in the different storage type, then we cannot able to give a individual storage type here.
Oh, okay.
If you provide that individual storage type, it will going to consider only one storage type and it will going to replenishment whenever it is required. But
Okay.
other storage types, if the materials is having, it will not going to consider, right?
Okay. In case if we are having only one particular bin and storage type where we are storing that particular part, in that case we can utilize this concept. I mean,
No, don't consider only bin. It might be having hundreds of bins here. In hundreds of bins in this particular storage type, it is having this material. Only one
Right.
material.
Right.
Then you can use that storage type here, then you can proceed.
Okay, okay, fine.
Okay, so here they have already given the warehouse task immediately, they have said. Okay, so you consider for the storage type, they have creating the warehouse task immediately, and in the storage bin, okay, they are creating manually. Okay, so we're going to see how manually we can do. First thing, we're going to study about the storage type only. Okay, and I'm going to show you the storage bin concept also. Okay, here if we go here, this is the plant. Okay, for the plant replacement only we are observing. So in the plant replacement, REPL, okay, we are having a only this one is not there. Okay, warehouse task immediately it is not there. Okay, we're going to see how we're going to create manual. Okay, this is for the REPL. So it is a based upon the bin, and this is a storage type level, and this is the bin level. Okay, for the bin level means we have to create the some fixed bins, and we have to proceed. Okay, we're going to do that. Okay, so this is a main thing what we have to create. Then next thing we're going to see. Go back. Okay, next thing is a configure execution is there. Okay, execution times for the replacement. Okay, for what time we need to do the execution. But here execution time and all, if it is not required, we will not going to provide. See, some materials will be there. We know that maybe by the end of the day, definitely they're going to get consumed, and we need to replacement like that. Okay, so that one we will going to provide it here. Okay, so execution time and all, because at the end of the day we need to replacement like that. Okay, but most of the time we will going to see the materials, then only we will going to provide. Okay, so these things very rarely we will going to use, but maintain document items categories replacement warehouse request. Okay, so just go here. Okay, here okay 1206. Okay, yeah, see, replenishment means we want to take the document as SRPL, item type also SRPL only. Okay, so this thing, same thing I have shown in the 3010 warehouse process type. Correct, no? Hello?
Yes.
So these are the
Yes.
document type, then this is the item type. Only in the replenishment concept, we are going to get document as well as the item type, a similar one. Okay. Next, what we have to do, we have to check, okay, where these things are maintained. Okay, document type and item types, where these are maintained. Okay, and just go to the internal warehouse process. Okay, internal warehouse process. Under that, we're going to get the delivery processing. Okay, under the delivery processing, we have to have the stock transfer. Okay, and the stock transfer here, the document types and item types are maintained. Okay, so first thing is define document types for the stock transfer is there. Okay, which one we are doing? The stock transfer only we are doing. Okay, let us go here. See, SRPL. SRPL WMR is the document category, and this is the document type. Here it is maintained. It is maintained with all the number ranges. Okay, and change documents. Everything it is maintained here. Okay, and if you go back and check the this is the stock transfer, and define document types determination for the stock transfer process is there. Okay, so nothing they have maintained. Okay, only thing, okay, stock transfer we require the SRPL, that is where they have taken. Okay, then item types. Okay, here also we should see the SRPL, WMR, GLB. Okay, so if you go here, all these profiles they have maintained. Okay, whenever you're going to take this things, no, these profiles you need to check, and what are the different things are there, we can able to understand. Okay, I have said, no, like how the profiles are came and all. Okay, you can check it over there. Okay, so now we're going to first we think see, this is the replacement only activities what we have done. But for this, one important thing is there. One important thing is there. Okay, I'll just explain it here. See, what I said, we have the replenishment means that has to happen from the some buffer zone, correct? Some st0 and st02, st01, st02, st03, st04. Okay, we are having st0 and st02 are for mat1. Okay, or else he is having a prod 1206 like that he is having. Okay, here this prod 1206 is available in st0 and st02. Okay, and prod 1207 is available in ST03 and ST04. Okay. So here no, whenever you are having something like this, okay, this is the primary zone. Okay, sorry, this is the buffer zone. Primary zone, what we have created, RE, ST we have created, and one is RE, SB we have created. Two different storage types we have created. Correct, no?
Yes.
Okay, so it has to replenish from these particular storage types to this REST. Okay, means for REST also same thing, but this is having the bin concept, this is having the storage type level. Okay, we're going to create some fixed bins and we're going to take it. Okay, not an issue. And here REST means will be taken from the storage types. Okay, and we're going to take it here. So in this case, what I'll do, or else we're going to create some other storage type, okay, which will going to put the matrix here, and we're going to retry that from retry the matrix from there. Okay, that is also possible. But for replacement, what is the warehouse process type I'm using?
3010.
So if 3010 is considering, then from where the material is moving, and to where it is going.
Storage type to storage type.
Storage type. It is going from here and it is going to the REST. Correct.
Correct.
Now I want to remove the material. Means which warehouse process type I am going to use. Removal, material removal.
201.
Exactly. 2010 I am going to use. Okay. So 2010 means from where the material is going to get picked here.
REST.
Yes, this is what I want. Okay, everyone understood this concept.
Yes.
Okay, so this is what I want to do it in the strategies. Okay, so see here, and just go to the goods issue. Under that, go to the strategies. Okay, the specify stock removal rule is there. No, we want to create our own stock removal rule here. Okay, that is 106. He has created. Okay, the rules are same only P4, whatever the things he has created, just select this, go to the stock removal rules. How we have created the stock removal rules, and then we have seen, correct, no? Based upon the date and time and all. Okay, we have seen that. Now specify storage types or sequence. Okay, just go to the storage types or sequence. Position 106. We might have created one more REPL. REPL means what? Just go to the storage types. What are the different storage types he has assigned for this? This is one rule. He has assigned the REST and REBL. Okay. So means what? He has given, if the REPL we are considering right now. Okay. This is one particular storage type search sequence. Okay. And we are to where the materials should go. Okay. If we are replenishmenting the things, and material should pick from the REST and REPL, like that we are doing. Okay. And next, okay, define stock. Okay, this one is not required. Determination. Okay, I will go to the determination. Here are some things you need to understand, and go to 106 for the warehouse. Okay, these two things, these four things you need to consider. See, SRC1 is there, no? First SRC1, this is for the removal. REM1 is for the removal. Means in the REM1, what are the different storage types are there here? REM1.
Two means two storage type we have created. REST or RESP.
Correct. No. In the REM1, yeah, that is what we have to do. But right now, we are not given anything. Okay. So these things we have to rectify. Okay. So see, whenever I am doing the replenishment, okay, I am doing the only replenishment I'm telling. From where I am going to take the material? From REST only I am going to take. Correct. So this here REM1 shouldn't come. Okay. Whenever you are having a 3010, okay, 3010. Only if you are having a 2010 means you will be having the storage type as REPL. Okay, here you have to give the REPL as a reference. REPL it should come. Okay, if it is a 3010, then we are removing from the REM1 only. Understanding? Here REPL should come. I'll show 5. 1 minute. One by one, I'm going to define. So let us consider only one material we'll consider. Okay, let us say I am taking the material. Initially, this 2010 is for removal. Okay, this is for a removal of the material. Okay, removal means what? It is issuing. Okay, it is issuing the material. 2010 means it is issuing the material. And what is that? 1 minute. Yes, correct. Okay, we are issuing the material, and for issuing of the material, we have to consider what are the different bins I have to consider here. I have to consider the REST and RESP, correct, for issuing the material, because this 2010 means it will be picking from this particular thing and it is moving outside. So that is why I have given for 2010 I have given the REPL. For REPL, what are the storage types we have assigned? We have assigned REST and RESP. Do you remember? 1 minute, I'll show that also. Here for REPL, what are the storage types we have assigned? REPL and REPL. See here, REST, REPL. Correct, no?
Yes.
So that is why it is going to pick from there. Okay. And okay, so the first one, okay, so replenishment is happening. Replenishment should happen from the REM1 storage steps or sequence. In the storage steps or sequence, they have assigned REST, ST01 and ST02. Okay, so whenever you are doing the replenishment 3010, okay, 3010 you are doing it means it should happen from the ST01 and ST02. Am I right? So that is what it is happening here. See, I'll just show you REM1. Go to the storage types. See here. Okay, so many stocks he has given. ST01 and ST02 is available here. Correct? Okay, so this is how we're going to do the replenishment activity. Any doubts here now?
No, sir.
Okay, so only these things you need to set up over here. Okay, and anyway, you know the optimization will be available. Okay, we'll just check it once. I don't know what he has prepared or okay, he has to remove. Okay, these two things are picked. That is enough for us. Okay, in any of, okay, you might be having hundreds of sequences. Okay, hundreds of sequences, but in one sequence, if you having these two, that is enough for us. Okay, but you understood about the optimization earlier. Only we have discussed about this, correct? Here, which is the having the primary first priority here?
Process type. Yes.
Yeah.
First type.
No, stock type will be having the first priority. I say stock type. Whenever you will be taking the materials or removing the materials based upon the stock type, that will be having the first priority. Okay. So don't forget that. Okay. So these things I have given. So now I am giving the first priority to this one. So whenever stock type will come, you have to give the sequence 1 for the stock type, then rest. But if the stock type is not there, then you give whatever you want. Okay. That is important. Okay, so optimization it is completed now. Okay, so in the create, okay, we need to create certain bins in the storage types. Okay, he has already created. I'll show that also. Okay, slash n slash SEWM slash LS11. If you go here, just check in the 1206 EST. Okay, we need to have certain bins, right? So he has created some 2 bins here. Okay, bin 1 and bin 2 like that. Okay, so in RESP also he has created a bin. Sorry, REBS, REBL he has created, I think. Okay, bin level like that. Okay, here also he has created 2 bins. Okay, so all the configurations are intact. Okay, as I said, we are having the 2 levels of replenishment. One is at the storage type level. If we are maintaining the storage type level, then what I said, we need to maintain the minimum and maximum stock at the product master. Okay, I'll just go to the product master now. Okay, mat1 that is available. Okay, mat1 is available here. Okay, so our product is prod 06, click enter, say go to the change, okay, go to the storage type data. Here you have the maximum minimum quantity. See here, maximum minimum quantity 5 to 50. You are having the maximum to minimum quantity. In this particular bill, how many stocks are there? I want to see first. Okay, in this stock, how many stocks are there? We want to see first. Okay, so let me check. Okay, in the bins, how many stocks are there? This is the one bill. Okay, oh, see, some stocks is available. 60 weight means might be one. Okay, around. Okay, for this material, how many weight he has given? You can see it from here. Okay, just go back, change properties. Properties weight. You can see here. No unit of measurement. Okay, cross weight he has given 2 kg. Means around 30 stocks is available. If you go to the stock, you can see the stock is available here. Okay, this is the product. It is available. See, 30 quantities it is available. Correct, no?
Correct.
So, but first we should move that. Okay, he has given 5 as a minimum and 30 as a maximum quantity. So let us remove this quantity. How we can able to remove? Okay, we can able to do the what is that internal movements. Okay, through the internal movements also we can able to remove the stock. Okay, whatever the 30 stocks are there, I am going to move it to some other storage type. Okay, how we can able to do? Yes.
Sri, in the product master, how they are defining profit, that minimum
Okay.
and maximum.
Here.
Can go. Yeah, can go.
Product master I'll go. Here, storage type data you should go. Here, they are just typing. Okay.
Okay, only 5 minimum and maximum.
Maximum is 50, like that they are defining. Okay, so you can give any number over here. Okay, let us consider I am giving 30. Already 30 stocks is available. I want to move those 30 stocks first. Okay, so just save this. Okay, 5 and 30 I have given the minimum and maximum. Okay, no? Hey, sorry, 1 minute. Okay, in the REST. Okay, if I click. Okay, these two are available. Okay, 5 and 30 is available. Okay, earlier it was 50. No, I have made it 30. Okay, now I will just move this stock. Okay, how I can able to move this stock? You already know the interface slash and slash SCWM slash. Which one you should use? Add prod,
Add
post, all those things you can able to use, but add prod is the correct one. Okay, here you just take prod 1206. Okay, execute. So many things will come, but we want to rectify. Okay, so open search, and we should take the which bin? Storage bin. Okay, this bin I have to take. Go here. Okay, just give this bin. Okay, advanced search and close this. Okay, here this will come now. 30 stocks is available here. Okay, if you see. So I want to move all these 30 stocks to the storage destination storage bin. That might be anything. Okay, ST0 anything you take. Okay, in some bin I am going to move this. Okay, some even I don't know how many. Okay, what is the ST01
storage capacity is there.
capacity?
Yeah.
I have
Yes.
just a minute. There I have LS01. I have removed it. Okay, here is the LS01. Okay, you go back. ST01 you execute. So BT0 has given means okay, 0 weight is there. Okay, maximum weight is not defined. Then I'll just select everything, change storage bins. Okay, bin type, reset storage bin types. Okay, I'll just say okay, bin types will not be applicable now. You can put any number of materials here. Okay, I'll just take any one bin. Okay, and I'll use the process code. Okay, 9999. This is important. I'll say create plus save. Okay, whereas order is created, then just confirm it. Okay. Now the material is moved, and if you are checking the bin st, sorry, rest, if you go and check here also, you're not going to find any materials. Okay, zero it will become. Okay, stock is also nothing is there. Correct. Okay, now we're going to do the replenishment for this. And what I have given for this, I have given the 5 and 30 over here. Okay, for RESP also I should check. Okay, how many stocks are there here? RE,
So Sri, any particular T code is not there for we can see the pins level MMB is some kind of in IM side.
Okay.
Monitor we can see, right?
Monitor you
Monitor
can
we
check.
have pin level, we can find at pin level.
Monitor you can see everything. Monitor.
Okay.
Okay. Monitor everything you can able to. That is the central report I said. No.
The only thing is we need to choose that. So based on that we can see.
Yes. ST01 we can put then all pins are coming.
Yes.
Now again I am moving the material here. Okay, the same material I am going to take, execute, but I want to take this bin now. Okay, so what I will do, I'm going to open the advanced search. Open bin I provide advanced search. Close. Okay, these two things are there. Okay, so in this I want to move both the materials. Okay, you can select both and you can go, or else one by one also you can do. Select this, go to the form view. Okay, so this one around 29 quantity is there. I'll just take the 29 and I'm moving it to some ST03 or some ST01 only. I have to move this one. Some bin I'm going to select now. Okay, then I'll use the process code 9999. Okay, then I'll say create plus save. Okay, go back, not go back. Here form is there. Yeah, this one is remaining. Just take this. Here I'm going to give 35 quantities. Okay, here ST03 or 04 I'm going to move this. Okay, some bin I'm going to take here. Well, we don't know what is the capacity of the bin. Let us move this. Okay, I will set it through an error. So something is fishy, we have to check. Okay. So, 04. Here also BT0 has defined. It will not go here. So reset this, execute, save it. Now you try it now. Yeah, that is the let us take HT 0 and take some bin. Now it has happened. Okay. So I have to confirm these two things. Confirm. Okay, only 26 is there. Okay, just confirm this. Then I have to confirm that 25 also. 46225.
4725, right?
No, 4725. 4725. Okay, it is open. Let's confirm this also. Both things are moving. Now you can see no material is available over here. Okay, in the REBL, if you execute in this bin, nothing should be there. Okay, it is empty now. So now we have emptied the bin. Okay, so for the fixed bin, as I said, We will not going to maintain for the fixed bin. We will not going to maintain at the storage type level. We have to maintain it at the fixed bin level. Okay, where will be having the fixed bin level? Okay, go to slash n in the easy access. Okay, go to the SEWM, EWM, extended warehouse management. Here, go to the master data. Okay, fixed bin concept is very easy. Okay, in the master data, here we will get the storage bins. Okay, bin mat is the transaction. Okay, bin mat here. Okay, fixed bin. Okay, just click on this. Okay, here we are having a REBL bin one. Okay, just execute this. Okay, he has given that also. Okay, see what he has given. Okay, for bin one. Okay, this bin one is there. No, for this product. Okay, one product you just consider. Okay, for this product, what he has given, the maximum quantity should be 35, minimum quantity is 10, like that he has given. Okay, so here we're going to provide the maximum minimum quantities. Any doubts here? In the bin mat you should do these things.
This is the fixed bin concept, not the
Storage
product
type.
master you are going.
In the product master we are not giving. Yes, you are right. Okay, so here we are giving at the fixed bin level. We are not giving at the product master. Okay, any doubts here? So now we have to schedule the replenishment. Okay, how we are going to schedule the replenishment? Okay, just say slash n here. Okay, go to the easy access. Okay, and same EWM, extend warehouse management. Here, work scheduling. Okay, in the work scheduling only we have to do that. Go to the work scheduling. Here, where is that? Replenishment. Okay, schedule replenishment. Okay, REPL is the transaction. Okay, here you can go with the background job as well. Okay, you can go to the background job as well. Okay, so in the background job, if replenishment, okay, if the what is that? The quantity is coming below the particular level. Okay, we're going to trigger the replenishment like that. Okay, background job every intervals. Okay, every few intervals it will be automatically triggering. But if the quantity is not below the threshold value, then it will not go into replenishment. If okay, let us consider every 1 hour it is or every day it is triggering the replenishment. Okay, so every day if it is triggering the replenishment, then one day might be okay, or whatever the materials are there, they are intact and no material is moved, then it will not going to trigger any replenishment. Okay, only batch job is triggering. Okay, but when some days all the materials are moved or some only few materials are remaining and the materials level is below the threshold level, then it will going to trigger the replenishment. That is how it will going to take place. Got it? No? So most of the time they will not be.
MRP concept is there, the same.
Pardon?
MRP concept is same like that. MRP run.
MRP run also
the
same.
replenishment
Yes.
is, yeah, in IM side, like just I'm comparing.
Correct, you are right. And here, how they will going to use the batch jobs and all. Okay, here you have the program. Okay, so here they're going to get the program execute in the background, and somewhere they're going to get the program. 1 minute. Here, okay, maybe in the system. We have to go to the status. Yes.
Status, so we can
Okay.
see the program.
Yes. Here we will going to find the program. Okay. Here, this program they're going to take, and this through this program they can able to achieve the batch jobs, and they're going to set it for this. Okay. Now we are taking the let us consider planned replacement we are taking. Okay, planned replacement we are doing. Okay, so in this planned replacement, okay, this is a planned replacement I have given. So here only three things you can able to do: order replacement, create part, and the planned. Only three things. Unplanned means they're going to happen, as I said, in the pick denial scenario and all. Okay, so planned replacement it is happening here. Okay, for the product, and I have taken the warehouse number, and this is the PED. Let us take what is that storage type we are using. Okay, storage type is which storage type it is happening? REST, correct? No, replenishment should happen to the REST, correct? Hello.
Yes.
Okay, and what is the product? That is prod 06. Okay, this one it should happen. Now what I'll say, okay, here I'll just give these things and I'll say do not consider minimum quantities. Means what? Don't consider whatever the minimum quantity is, don't consider, just fill to the maximum, I'll say. Okay, so I can give fill to the maximum quantity, do not consider the minimum quantity, exceed maximum quantity. See, sometimes see, I'm having the capacity of only 30, I said there, but I'm saying I think today we may get some extra orders, so just don't consider the maximum quantity, exceed maximum quantity also I can able to provide. Okay.
So what will be the exceed maximum quantity? For example, 30 is the maximum quantity, for example. Exceed maximum quantity in the sense, can we load it as 60 or 70? Or
maybe we, yeah, 60 and all, it is possible. See, sometimes that sweet boxes, they're going to keep it at the malls, right? Every day they'll be keeping some maybe 100 boxes. Okay, they have arranged in some fashion, but in some festival times and all, they can keep even more. Okay, they're going to arrange one more table and they're going to keep even more. Okay, that one we can able to achieve through this. Okay, and here executing the background is there. If any logs are there, and show the logs, like that we can able to provide. Okay, just tick this show logs and fill to the maximum quantity, we can say. Okay, then for this, okay, if you check for this, what is the setting? Okay, for this one, okay, this one is a replenishment. Okay, so I want to take some other /n spro img SAP EWM extended warehouse management. Here internal process. Replenishment control. Activate replenishment for storage types. Okay. 1206. REST I have to take planned. Okay. See here. Here warehouse task immediately is there. Okay. Means once I'm going to trigger this, warehouse task should create automatically. Okay. I will just go here. Okay. The replenishment, not this one. This one replenishment. So I am going to execute this. Okay. Execute this. See here. Planned replenishment items. How many items we should replenishment here? 30 items we are replenishment. And here warehouse task immediately is ticked already. If you don't want, untick this. Okay, you are avoiding this thing. Okay, here I said warehouse task immediately, that is why it is came here. But if you don't want, you can untick this, or else if you want, you can keep this. Just select this. How many materials are there in our bin? How many materials are there in the bin?
0.
0, correct. If you want, we can check that also. LS11. You can go to LS02 also, but as of now, I don't remember the bins. I'm just going through this. Okay, so I'll just say REST. Okay, whatever the bins are there, it will going to show here. No, so that is why I'm coming here. Okay, nothing is there here. Okay, everything is blank. Now I'll just say execute this. See, replenishment run started. Warehouse number 1206 with the replenishment strategy, planned replenishment. Okay, replenishment warehouse task 1721 created. Okay, just you have to go to this 1721. Where I should go? 1721. Go to the monitor. Monitor is very important. Okay.
Okay.
And here go to the SAP. Okay, here go to the documents, warehouse task 1721, right? Execute. What is 1721? See, observe here. The material, it is automatically picking from. Just show. Okay, it is automatically picking from some bins from the ST01. What we have given replenishment, we are taking from the ST01 only. Correct? No. Okay. Now here it is moving to REST, and this is the bin. Any doubts here? Okay, this is how the replacement will going to take place automatically. Okay.
So this replenishment, we can also say it as storage bin to storage bin transfers. Also, we can say it, right?
No. Replenishment is see, replenishment means whenever we will going to provide, we will be having the primary zone and see, if you want to do the bin to bin transfer means, okay, then you can able to what is that, use some internal movements and you can do it, right? Why we have to go for the replenishment? I am saying here you should trigger automatically. Okay, if the threshold value is going below certain level, it should trigger automatically. That is why the replenishment will be helpful.
Okay.
We will not going to give much attention to this.
Same,
Okay?
same like, you know, Dinesh, MRP controller we have run every day. If stock is less than your minimum level, then automatically that filling the maximum stock of the level.
That is
The
similar
IM
to the
side.
replenishment, you are right.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so that is what the replenishment is. Okay, but other time we will going to call it as a what is that, MRP in the material planning, okay, PP, no?
Planning, yeah, PP.
Production planning we will going to call it.
Production plan.
So here this is not yet completed. Okay, if you check the bin also, okay, if you
We
go
have to
and
confirm.
yeah, correct. Okay, if you go and check this also, still nothing is there. Okay, only usage is 60 it is showing. Okay, but confirmation should be required from here. Okay, so once I'm going to confirm from the background, okay, confirm from the background. Okay, see,
So
this is
here
confirmed.
we don't have automatic confirmation.
No, automatic confirmation will not be there. See, this one, everything you can able to automate here. Okay, everything you can able to automate. See, weight used now. Weight usage was different. Weight used is different. Okay, I will. Your weight usage means what? Tell me.
The capacity of the bin may be.
No, I am telling this much of weight I am planning to put. Okay, I am planning already. Okay, don't keep this much, means you have to remain this much weight like that. Okay, it is already consumed this much weight of this bin. But when you have the actual quantity, then it is a weight used. Okay, weight used means actually the materials are available. I am weight usage means I am reserving like that. Reservation. Okay, here weight used means actually these many quantities are available like that I am saying. Okay, so this is where you will going to get the what is that planned replenishment. Okay, see, one more thing, we can able to change something here. What I will do, this one is okay. I will go to the product master. Here, what is that? Okay, it is the replenishment. I will open the entire screen.
See, one question here.
Yes, yes.
If you are removing the warehouse task checkbox, then directly
I'll
it's
take that.
come.
I'll come to that. Okay, so if we are removing the warehouse task, automatic warehouse task checkbox, we're going to do it for the bin level, and we're going to see it. We have to do it like from our end. We have to create the this one, the warehouse task. That is the only thing.
Whereas task has to be created manually.
Manually.
After movement. Yeah. Right now, warehouse task is creating automatically. Only confirmation we have to perform. If we are removing that, we have to create it and then we have to confirm it.
Yes. So now we have given the what is that minimum and maximum quantity here. Let us consider I am giving the maximum quantity as some 48. Let us consider I am giving the 48 as a maximum quantity. Okay. And what is this minimum quantity replenishment? Minimum replenishment quantity is there. Okay. I'll just provide this as a 48, then it will going to trigger. Okay. Let us consider 50. I'm going to give minimum replenishment quantity as four eaches. What is the meaning of this? See, whenever you are taking the quantity, okay, whenever you are dealing with the replenishment, it in one carton box, okay, in some small carton box, you may put 4 materials. In one carton box, you may put 4 materials. Whenever you are doing the replenishment, no, you are taking one carton box, you are taking, then it will be coming as a 4 material. Getting the concept?
It is coming at 4 load.
4 load. 4 load. Okay. It is multiple of 4 only. It will going to
Multiple
consider.
of 4. Yes. Okay,
it cannot remove too much. If I am saying 50 means, okay, multiple of 4, it is 50 is not the multiple of 4. Okay.
Yes.
48 is there. Apart from that, 52 is there.
48.
Okay, 48 is there, or else 52 is there. Okay, but it will going to, I have given the maximum itself as a 50 means it can fill up to 48 only.
Correct.
Okay, I am understanding everyone.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll just save this. We're going to run it again. Okay, we're going to run it again. Replenishment.
Once minimum quantity is less than 5, correct?
Yes,
Then it's
correct. Okay, then only it will going to trigger, but it will not going to means if it is 60 is multiple of 4, right? Okay, if it is 60, then it would have filled everything, because I have given what is that 4 as the minimum replenishment quantity I have given here. Okay, means in one carton box it is having 4 materials, like that you are bringing the carton boxes only here. Okay, if it is 50, then you cannot able to remove two materials and bring the only 2 materials in the carton box. That is not correct. Let us consider some packed sweet boxes are there. In one sweet box you are having 4 materials, like that 4 ladus. Okay, you have to keep this ladus intact. No, one person is coming and he is picking the box, means it is only 2 ladus, means he is not going to accept that, correct? So that is why we will going to provide the minimum replenishment quantity as well. Okay, so in this case I'm going to just run this. Okay, how much it will going to show, we'll see. Okay, replenishment oh, no replenishment execute, replenishment run execute, okay, 1 minute, what is the error here? Stay for given client only, no replenishment is triggered. Okay,
But we
because
already
stock-
just
stock-
we
stock
already
we have,
executed, right?
no, it is okay. Stock also if it is there. See, I have changed the maximum quantity, right? Now you see. Okay, it is taken 1 minute. I'll go back, but it has taken 20 hours. It is not the correct one. 1 minute. See, I will. Okay,
Yeah, why?
yeah,
Because
I
why?
have.
Because
See.
yeah, why? Because of 50 quantity you have considered and
Correct.
30 already you have taken.
So
Okay.
see, if I
But
have
you want
said
to-
no, if I have said do not consider minimum quantity, means it is taking. Okay, or else I'll just remove this also. Okay, show log immediately I have given. Okay, whatever the minimum quantity is there, it will not going to consider that. Okay, so if I'm executing this, okay, see, no replacement is executing there. Okay, but how many stocks we require now? 30 stocks is already available. How many stocks we require? And that 20 stocks is we require.
Yeah.
Correct, for fulfilling of this 50.
Correct.
20 is whether 20 is a multiple of 4 or not.
Yes.
It is bringing. Okay, so what I'll do, we'll make it 60. Okay, 60 stock we're going to make it, means 30 we should take, and that 30 should come, correct? Whether 30 is a multiple of 4 or not. No. Okay, then how it is going to be here, we'll just check it. Where is that replenishment? This is not the one. Yeah, okay, see, I have given this value, 30 should come now. Okay, I'll say do not consider the minimum quantity, I'll say. Okay, because minimum quantity, if it is 5 is there, means then only it is going to replenishment, but it is not below the 5. That is why I'm saying do not consider the minimum quantity, and I'll just execute this. See here, 28 stocks are coming, because 28 is the what is that multiple of 4 here.
Yeah, so
That it should bring 30 actually, but it is bringing only 28.
Only 28 we can bring. Okay.
Because I have given minimum replenishment quantity here. Any doubts?
No.
So if you are executing, then this stock also is going to go and store there. Okay. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Now we'll go for the what is that, RESB. Okay. Let us consider you are going for the RESB. For that, how you can able to use this? Okay. Let us consider you are using this RESP for the replenishment. Okay, here also you are doing the schedule replenishment. Okay, so then we have to assign the bins and the product. Okay, I'll just go back. Okay, here REBL. Okay, this is the material. So I will also say here fill to the maximum quantity, then execute this. 35 it is taking. Why 35? We have given some minimum as 10 and maximum as 30, 35. Okay, just execute this. Okay, replenishment it is created. Warehouse request it is created. See here, warehouse request, warehouse task is not yet created. So now we need to create the warehouse task for this. Okay, so what we need to do? Huh?
Did we remove the warehouse task for creating?
Yes, correct. We have removed the warehouse task for creating because we have not set the warehouse task here. Just show you. You go back. REBL no line. Here warehouse task is not there.
Okay.
Only warehouse request it got created. Just copy this warehouse request. We have to where we should execute this warehouse request. Go back. We have some.
We have to go to monitor.
Monitor, yes, monitor. In that monitor, whether we can able to see the internal movements or not, I have to check. Okay, here replenishment is one thing, documents, and physical inventory is there, order is there. Somewhere we're going to do the replenishment for this. Okay, 1 minute, we can see that not an issue. Okay, yeah, got it. In the easy access only we have to do that. Okay, go to the easy access. Where is that easy access? Okay, yeah, we have to go to the delivery processing. In the delivery processing, we'll go to the internal. See this one, maintain internal stock transfer is there. No, we have to double click on this internal stock transfer, and we have to give the that request number here. Execute. Okay, it is coming here. Okay, so once we're going to process this, it will going to create the what is that warehouse task for us. Okay, what I'll say, I'll just consider this, and now we have to proceed. Okay, how we're going to proceed? We have to say internal stock transfer here. Okay, follow on functions warehouse task. Getting the concept here. This is the warehouse request what we have received. Okay, so I will go to the internal stock transfer follow functions warehouse task. I'm going to create one warehouse task. So if you are going to create the warehouse task, from where it is moving and to where it is moving, it will going to show. I'll say create first. Create means see it will
coming on the IDA screen.
Here from ST0 on it is going to the REBL. Correct? Okay. So now I'm going to create plus here, then you just confirm it. Confirm it. Okay. So now the material is in the REBL. You can check it here, not here. There is the bin. Okay, here REST, in this one. REBL you can check. In this bin, it will going to come. See, 70 material means 35 means 30. Here you can check the quantity also. See, 35 quantity it is filled. Got it? Okay, this is how we're going to do the replenishment for the.
So warehouse request, we haven't said the number ends and anything. Now, first time we are doing the warehouse request. Now we are generating that here. Warehouse request we never seen earlier. Now.
Warehouse request.
Yeah.
Yeah, means warehouse request. What is that? In the decentralized, the warehouse request will come. No, in the decentralized, it is the concept.
Okay.
But whenever
EWM side, it is not coming. Is that?
No, EWM either what is that in the decentralized or the centralized or embedded, it will going to come. But only thing is that it is the internal. Here is that 1 minute. I'll go back here. Just check. This
Because
is the
yeah,
maintain internal
we
stock
never said-
transfer. This is for the internal stock transfer. Everywhere you will
So
going to get this.
we never said the number range and anything else for the warehouse request.
No, no,
We
no. It
said
is
that
there. See,
No, no, it is already there,
it
right?
is
When
there.
we
I'll show
created
that.
warehouse, on that time, wave management, physical inventory, everywhere
No,
we
no,
have
no.
provided.
This one is completely
warehouse
different.
task we have created.
Take my by. Here I'll show that. Where is that? I'll go here. Go back. You have given the. See, I have come to the replenishment. Okay, here go to the delivery processing. This is warehouse automation.
Or maybe in profile.
No, no, no. Stock transfer. No, we have seen here only. 1 minute, I'll show that. Okay, here the document types SRPL. Here 06 I have given. Correct. This 06 is the number range. Got it?
This is but this is a replenishment number, no?
Replenishment number. This is a replenishment request what we have created. That is why I have said this is the internal stock transfer. IM underscore SP. Got it? We have set the number range for this. Then only it will take. Or else how come it will going to consider? Correct, no?
Yeah, but warehouse request is replenishment request is the same. Replenishment order and warehouse request.
Warehouse request. No, no. Warehouse request and another thing is
Replenishment order.
no, replenishment order is different. Order means whenever the what is that customer is going to create some means if he is asking some material, that time it is going to trigger. Okay, whenever the order related replacement is there, that time we are going to get the replacement order. Okay, that time automatically warehouse task will going to generate. Getting the point or not? Any doubts here? No, no. If you have the doubts, ask me.
No, just I see warehouse request I see first time.
Warehouse
So
request.
so
that is what I
asked
say.
that warehouse task we have seen, warehouse order we have seen, request we have seen first time.
See, this is for the internal movement. Warehouse request we are it is generating, and we need to create the warehouse tasks from this one.
Okay, so this warehouse request will be created. Even in embedded system, in S4 system also, we'll be having the same concept.
Yeah, same concept only. Embedded also same concept will come. But here, there, no replenishment is not triggering. I don't know why. Okay, so that is why I just taken it here. Or else we can check it. The same things are intact over there, but still it is not giving the replenishment. That is the problem.
See, warehouse request will not be created manually. It will be happen automatically.
Yeah, warehouse request. That is what happened. No, like we have created it. That is why warehouse request came. And whenever that is falling below certain level, then that will going to trigger automatically. One warehouse request will going to generate like that. Okay, here also I have activated this replenishment. Okay, for 1100, you can see. Okay, REST. Here, okay, I have only REST. You just check. Okay, and you over the REST. Content document items. Okay, I'll just give here 106. You can see SRPL here. Right? 1100. Sorry. Okay, SRPL is there. Go back. Okay. Then what else we should do here? I don't see where delivery processing. Okay, in the delivery processing also you have everything intact. Okay, here stock transfer. Okay. Okay, see here. This is the SRPL document which is available here. Okay. Everything is there, but it is not replenishment. The quantity is not recurring. I'll just go to /n and go to the logistics. EWM extend warehouse management. Okay, here work scheduling. The work scheduling REPL. Okay, so I'll give 1100. Party and title to dispose is 186. storage type I'm going to give REST. Product I'm going to give 1100 prod
mat one.
correct. Okay, so first we're going to check, okay, material whether I have maintained or not. Sorry, here I shouldn't go. I'll just remove some.
No problem, Sri.
No, we'll just check this. Or else, if it is happening now, it is okay. Okay, so that is why I'll go to the storage type here. Okay, I have given minimum and maximum 25 to 20 something like that, and I will say fill to the maximum quantity, show log immediately. Okay, see if I'm executing, it will coming like this, but here it is not running the replenishment. See, some error it is showing. Stock type is not defined. The system could not determine the source storage bin. I have given everything. The strategies are intact. Everything is intact. I don't know why this error I am getting. Even I have asked to many people. Still, I am not getting any reply from them. Determination somewhere else. I have the mistake, but all the strategies are intact. I am taking it from the ST0 only. Okay, if you are saying that, see these things we have to what is that check. Okay, if whenever these errors are coming, sorry, what you will going to see. Okay, here it is mentioning system could not determine the source storage bin. Okay, what is the source storage bin for me? Bin. Let us consider what is the source storage type for me during the replenishment. Where you can able to check this. Where we can able to check that? The goods issue. Okay, here you should see strategies. First thing you have to see the determination of the strategy. How I have determined? No, for yourself I'm telling. Okay, if you are getting certain something like this error. Okay, 1 minute. I'll just go back. You can go to the 1100. See, I have given SRC1 2010 means it is the remote one, that is perfect. For 3010, okay, both where it is there only. Okay, 1 minute. I have to change this one. Okay, this is REPL I have to do. Okay, and now it is correct. But okay, that is perfect now. This one earlier I somehow changed it. Okay, it's okay. So just say okay here. Now again we're going to try that. Okay, see, REPL means what are the different storage types are there. We have to check it. 1 minute, 1 minute. I have changed something different here. Determination I have to go 1100. Here 1100 2010. It is a removal. Okay, this removal means you shouldn't do REPL here. This is RE amount correct only. For 3010 you should do REPL. Okay. Remember no? Why I have done like this?
Yes.
Then you should rectify me. Okay. So 3010 means REPL replenishment is happening. Replenishment from where it should happen, or to where it should happen. Replenishment means 1 minute. 3010 is the replenishment. Replenishment is happening from the RE mode only. This was the correct. Here also we're going to get confused. Removal should happen from the REPL. REPL it should happen. So if REPL is there, what are the different storage types are coming under the REPL? We have to check. Okay, specify storage types. 1100. No. REPL.
No. REPL is the ST. REST or
REST and RESP should come. So REST, RSP are there. Okay. So now it is correct. So I will go over here, go back. Okay, everything is there. Then just execute. Okay, this many materials are it is taking. Execute. See, again it is coming like this one. Some source storage bin why it is not considering, I don't know. I have tried it many times, but the same error I am getting. Somehow we should rectify this. Okay, I'll check it later on also. So that is why I have just considered it in the decentralized system and shown it. Got it?
Okay.
Okay. So this is how replenishment will going to happen. It is not a what is that? Very tough topic. It is very easy only, but somehow I missed something. That is why it is throwing an error. I'll just check it later on. Okay.
Okay, Sri Bhai, if possible, can you just recall one quick information?
Hmm?
The internal transfers from storage bin to storage bin. Can you just show one example? I just forgot. Just wanted
Internal
to.
transfer from bin to bin. Okay.
Yes.
Let us consider. Okay, I'll just go over here only. We will going to use slash n slash scwm slash add prod for the movement of the materials. Okay. If it is a HU, then we're going to use a ADHU. Okay. I have not done the ADHU, right? We're going to do the ADHU now. Okay. That is both are possible. Okay. So first we need to check where is the HU is available. Okay. Where we're going to check that
Monitor.
monitor. We're going to check. Okay. Slash n slash scwm slash mon. Okay, I'm going to say SAP execute. Here, okay, physical stock. I'll give the product. Okay, 1100 mat 1 execute. See here, I'm going to do. See, so many products will be there. Individual products also there, and with the HU also there. Here, just do the filter. Set filter not equal to US product, not equal to blank.
That should be.
Okay, just say okay. Here we are getting the HU. Okay, here we are getting some HU. Let us consider this ST01 is there. This bin, from this bin I am moving this HU to this one. Okay, let us consider like that. Okay, so I just consider this bin. Copy this. Okay, ADHU. Where is that? ADHU. Okay, no, not this one. This is the one. No, this is not the one. I'll go here. Okay, this is the HU. Just give your HU number. Sorry, HU number. You should provide this. That is my HU number. You are going to get it from here. Okay, 6 followed by some 406. 6 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Execute. Okay, we are doing the HU transfer. Okay, so here I go to the form view. Okay, you want to just move the what is that materials? You can move, or else the HU also you want to move, you can move. Okay, see here destination HU. Okay, source HU is this one. Destination I'm moving the same HU. Okay, then destination bin. Okay, ST01. I will take this bin. Okay.
40221.
Yeah,
Okay,
this one I'll take.
Okay.
Oh, not this one.
No, 121, right?
121 I should take. Okay, now it came. This is the destination bin. Okay, this is the destination HU. I want to means the same HU. If you want to take it, you can take this. Or else you want to put in this particular HU, you can able to put. Okay, so I'll just take 9999 as a various process, right? Then just execute. Here, create a save.
Great.
So it's been blocked for stop remote. It is blocked. I'm sorry. I have to remove the block. Which one it is blocked? This one I think it is blocked. Copy this. Go to the where you can block remove the block. Tell me.
Mass changes.
Mass change also you can block. Or else go to the ls02 slash n slash scwm slash ls02.
Yeah, individual bin. Yes.
Yeah, individual bin you can remove the block. Okay, go down.
On the bottom of the screen. Okay.
Okay, here delete stop remove. Save it. Okay. Just go and execute. Create. Location already being processed. Okay.
No, I think you are native.
Somewhere else it is available already. Okay, 1 minute. I'll just go back. Here it is there. Here nothing is there. Here.
No, that was the screen.
Yeah, this is the only screen now. Okay. Wait. Again. Just now I have removed the block, right? Whether I have saved it or not. Block is not there. Just go back. No. Go to the EDHU. And take this. Execute. Okay, go to form view. I'm taking the HU this one. ST01. Giving this click enter. Double line. Create plus save. Should happen actually. Yeah, now it is happened. Okay. Some task is got created. Now I'm going to confirm it. Because I have opened that bin, that is why it was giving the error. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have created it. Now you just go and refresh this. You should move from this bin to this bin. See, both things you can see in the same bin. Same. Okay, you can do it for the product also. Not an issue. Okay, no. And one more transaction is there. Two more.
Yeah, that is what I was
Okay.
thinking of. Yeah.
Why you want to see only this one?
No,
This is
because
only
I
what
have,
is there in the handling unit. You can able to see from here. Okay. So this is some.
Sri is providing 3 transactions already.
Okay, see,
RSU.
in this also, what are the different things are there? You can able to see it. Okay, you can outbound the delivery split is there. You can able to do that. Or else you want to edit something, you can able to do that.
And
Everything it is possible.
yeah, right now we can go to list and we can
See,
do the
in
changes,
this
right?
HU, okay, in this HU, whatever the things are there, it will be detailed way it will going to show. Only one material is there. So loading weight is 3, total weight 4. Yes, sir. Okay, so it will going to give all the status. Okay, what is the status of this HU? Everything it will going to show. Okay. So HU HUMO is one transaction where you will going to see all the details of the HU. Okay. You remember this also. HUMO. Anything you want to check? Okay, and we will going to see what is that? We have to see wave and the exception code. Okay, exception code also I'm going to consider, and I'm going to finish that also. Okay. If you need anything else, you can ask me. Okay, in the further classes, like at least weekly once, we'll connect and we're going to take some different topics.
Serial number management is also there, right?
Yes, yes, it is there.
Okay. Wave management is there, serial number management is there.
Yes, serial number management I have already done it for the other. Here only I have done it. I have taken different materials and I have completed that. Okay, if you want, I will going to see that. Okay, weekly once we're going to connect and we'll see that. Okay, so that we will be learning new things every day. But you should be thorough. Like you also doing some of the other blogs and you are also explaining, means it will be helpful for everyone. Correct, no?
Yes.
Like that we can do. Okay, every time. Okay, I'm going to add a few more people also in this group, so that it will be like learning hub for the SAP EWM. Like that we can take at least one blog. If you are reading per week, no, one person, then we will going to see so many different things. Correct.
Right.
But first you should practice. Then we can go through the new things. Okay. Okay then. Okay, so that's it. Today we're going to end this session, and in the tomorrow's session, it is a Saturday. Okay, we're going to consider the maybe wave. We're going to consider. Day after tomorrow, we're going to see the exception code. Or else tomorrow only, if you are available in the evening time, we're going to complete the exception code as well. Okay. Tomorrow evening might not be possible. Okay, we're going to take it on Sunday only. Okay. Sunday it is there. Okay. Okay, tomorrow somehow we'll try to finish it, or else Monday we have to jump. Sunday I'll try to, because Sunday we have the working day, right? Okay, anyway, I'm going to take it on Sunday also, not an issue. Sunday, is it okay no for you? Okay.
Yeah, only we both we three are there.
Yeah,
So
only
we
3 are there.
but Jay needs to confirm.
No, no, जय तो अभी उसको तो पहले खत्म करना है.
अरे पहले खत्म कर रहे हैं but Sunday he never wanted to join ना.
नहीं, वो पहले भी बोल दिया था आता हूँ करके, हमने मना किया उसको.
Jay सुनाई दे रहा है?